Hey guys, sorry. My kittens. These kittens are just so in tune to their mama. They really are. I had to get hospice involved today for my mom, and tomorrow I gotta go to the nursing home and be there for the paperwork. I actually offered to come over tonight, but I've been on the phone and stuff and just can't do that right now. So I'm gonna meet them tomorrow morning. But these kittens know something is not right with their mother. It's just crazy how they know. But we'll talk to you guys later, okay? And we love you. Bye.